We just stopped in the beautiful neighborhood of Ardsley Park here in Savannah, Georgia. Out here at Savannah Harley-Davidson in Savannah, Georgia. You know what it is. My first dealership I ever had experience with, Savannah Harley-Davidson. Oh, that's Big Larry right there. Internationally known, locally respected. Big Larry. What you know good, Big Larry? Yeah. Okay. Hey, how's everything? How you doing? Good meeting, Larry. Where you from?
North Carolina.
Who are you, sir?
Badass Snuck, Rocky Mountain, North Carolina.
Where are you right now?
Savannah, Georgia, Harley-Davidson.
All right. Appreciate it. Y'all be safe. Got your icons. Me and my dad here in Savannah at Savannah Harley-Davidson. We're gonna go and just run through Savannah. Show you Savannah from some real Savannians. Ready to make this move?
Let's go.
All right, here we go. So what we're about to do is we're about to stop by my old stomping grounds, Kelly's Flea Market, to pick up some boiled peanuts from one of the vendors out there that's been selling peanuts at Kelly's Flea Markets for, I don't know, years. So hold on, hold tight. We're going to Kelly's. Hey, how you doing? All right. You being good today?
Yes, sir.
All right. Hey. You want to take a picture? You want to sit on it? Go ahead, take a picture. You want to sit on it?
You sure?
Sure, yeah, go ahead. All right, so you can put them on. Yeah. So I'll put his foot right there. There you go. There you go. Hold them right quick. I was gonna turn the handlebar that way. Put your hand right here.
Put your hand right here on the handlebar. Hold it.
Look at me.
Say hey. Say hey, mommy. All right.
Thank you.
No problem.
Where y'all based out of?
I'm from Savannah, but I live in DC now. I have a YouTube channel. I'll give you a couple stickers. So you're gonna be on YouTube.
Yeah, me and my dad and them stayed in Alexandria, Virginia. We stayed right where we live.
Right across the way, yeah. There you go.
Oh, thank you.
I'm gonna put one in your hand. Here you go.
A sticker. Say thank you.
All right.
Give him a fist bump.
Okay.
Come on.
Mind if I take a picture of that?
Sure, go ahead.
That is beautiful.
Thank you.
Oh, gracious.
All right, no problem. Y'all have a good one. All right, no problem.
That's a showstopper.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. So we just made out here to Keller's. Like I said, my old stomping ground. I used to airbrush out here every single weekend from high school through college and even a little bit after college. Man, I met people from all over the world out here. I had an airbrush booth with my old art teacher slash mentor, Joe Holland here. Big Larry over here, locking up his bike. Let's walk through here, see what's what. So we literally, when we had the airbrush booth out here, we literally used to be right about here. This used to be our old airbrush booth. We used to do tons of freaking license plates, t-shirts, anything you think of. We did it right here in this particular booth back in the day. So shouts out to Kelly's Flea Market, giving me my start. Well, yeah, Joe Holland for giving me my start at airbrushing. That allowed me to meet people from all over the world out here at Kelly's Flea Market. Trying to find a peanut man. I think I see him. Uh-oh, there we go. Boiled peanuts. This gentleman right here has been selling peanuts here at Kelly's Flea Market for eons.
All right. Good.
Excuse me, sir. Exactly how long have you been selling peanuts here at Kelly's Flea Market? 16 years? Over 16 years?
Me and my wife.
So, over 16 years, they've been selling peanuts out here at Kelly's Flea Market. That's a long time. That's a pretty long time. If you guys want some boiled peanuts, this is definitely one of your stops you need to make out here at Kelly's Flea Market. What up? And you're here on what days?
Saturday and Sunday.
Come on,
Saturday and Sunday, Miss K's Peanuts. Miss K's Peanuts. There's a phone number right there.
You gonna get some peanuts? Man?
Give him a call.
One service.
I'm gonna have a serving of the,
Regular spicy.
we gotta do spicy, baby. We gotta do spicy. He does not use canned peanuts. See the raw peanuts right there. None of that. See, none of that gas station, you know, peanut situation. This is fresh out the raw peanut bag over there.
All right.
Thank you, thank you. So how much are we? $5.
You see, who doesn't do that?
See?
I used to work for Kelly too. I used to put God.
Before '96, graduated high school, off to college, came back, and I was always coming back here to get boiled peanuts. So here, boiled peanuts, Kelly Flea Market, Miss K's Peanuts. Appreciate it, sir.
Oh, get
Yep,
your nap.
going.
Get your
All right.
All right, good
All right.
see. I miss you out there on that road. What's going on, brother?
Ah!
Hey, mother dudes ain't cutting y'all nose like nowadays.
Right.
Right, man. Good meeting you, man.
Take it easy, man.
All right.
That's my
All right.
son.
All right.
You gotta
All right, man.
some more miles to get. See you in a second. Pull over in front of the old Savannah High right quick. So right now, I'm in front of 500 Washington Avenue here in Savannah, Georgia. Now it's now called Savannah Arts Academy. It was once Savannah High School. So you Savannah High School class of what?
1969, baby.
1969. That's a long time ago.
Yes, it is.
Me, myself, class 96, old blue and white. Yeah, this building was built as a hotel. And something happened with the contractors, whatever hotel. It never got used as a hotel. It ended up becoming a high school. So if you see up there, you can actually see where it says Savannah High School. Yeah, it says established 1998. All praise to the blue and white. Savannah High School. My dad had stories about how when he rode here at Savannah High School, right after they integrated the school here, he said every day they had fights at the school. They had to separate the black students from the white students, which is crazy to me because, wow. But yeah, Dad, out here at our old alma mater. And this is the middle of Ardsley Park. Got these awesome palm trees here. Live oak trees with Spanish moss. Definitely come through and check this out. Like I said, there's a lot of history in this building right here. A lot of real influential people come out of this school right here. Here he go. He wants to take a picture of his bike with the school. That back there is the old Beach Collar school right there. Hey Dad, that's the old Beach Collar school, right? Yeah, that's the old Collar right there. What's that place now?
That's the new courthouse.
Oh, that's new courthouse?
Yeah.
Oh. That's Savannah's new courthouse.
Santa Claus? Yeah, I appreciate that.
Hey. Damn fat ass old man. What's up, fat? Goddamn, your ass need to lose some muscle weight.
Dad, hold on a second. How you gonna talk about people like that, man? You don't know what the man got like.
He done gained a lot of weight since the last time I seen him.
You know what I mean? You missed me.
I don't miss your ass.
So, one of the things Savannah is known for is this food. There's tons of food options here in Savannah as far as soul food, whatever. But one of my places I always like to stop at whenever I get into town or come into town is Hungry Vegan here. It's over here near the Longshoreman Hall in East Lathrop and Bay Street. 2112 East Lathrop.
Hey, how you doing?
All right.
Welcome to the Hungry Vegan.
All right.
We have the vegetable plate. We have natural juices here that I juice every morning.
Every morning?
Every morning at 4 o'clock.
That's a lot of juicing.
Yeah, every morning at 4 o'clock.
All right, okay. So
Yes.
sweet tea is like table wine here in Savannah.
Yes.
If you go to a restaurant, any restaurant, if they ain't got sweet tea, you need to leave a bad Yelp review. So I just want to let you know that ain't too many restaurants themselves actually have hundreds A+s on their inspections, whatever. So, oh yeah. my goal to give you an introduction of Savannah, Georgia, which has the largest historic district in the country. We got a chance to stop by one of my favorite spots for boiled peanuts outside of my Aunt Pat's kitchen. Today was a good day. We got a chance to show you guys a little bit of something about Savannah outside of the main tourist areas, a little bit of history between my dad and I. If you like stuff like this, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe to What Dad?
Build, ride, repeat.
Like that.
I love you both.
Oh, you playing. You don't love me. All right, y'all. See you on the next one.